Audi Q8 is near the top of the luxury midsize SUV class, thanks to its engine performance, handling, quality and high-designed interior cabin. Audi has announced Q8 for final presentation in the end of 2021, and from the first launch in 2018 to 2022 has passed several changes and improvements. You may think that the Q8 is more luxurious than the Q7, but there is many argue that tell us the Q8 isn't any plusher than its Audi sibling. The Q8 is based on the Q7, but it features a sportier rake-roof exterior design and 5 seats instead of 7. For 2022, the Q8 lineup has enhanced packages and new standard features. The entry-level premium trim now comes standard with 21-inch wheels, power folding exterior mirrors with memory settings, and several other amenities. The Premium Plus trim gets adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist and lane keeping assist. Those who opt for the executive package will now enjoy leather armrests, ventilated front seats, and sunshades for rear seat passengers. The top-spec Prestige adds an adaptive air suspension and leather on the armrests when paired with the executive package. All-wheel steering becomes a standalone option. With its imposing single-frame and octagonal design, the Audi Q8 presents the new face of the Q product line. The radiator grille combines with the forward-mounted spoiler and the strongly contoured air inlets to underline its confident look. The elegant downward slope of the roofline leads to slightly inclined D-pillars and rests on the Quattro blisters over the wheel arches, which can accept wheels of up to 23 inches. The strong contours and taut athletic areas convey power, sophistication and the special dynamics of the permanent all-wheel drive system. The spoiler, wheel arch trims, door trim strips and diffuser are emphasized and colored to underscore the off-road look. A light strip joins the light units at the rear together. The Q8 boasts a sumptuous interior with rich materials, a sleek dual-screen infotainment system, and generous seating space in both rows. It's a quiet and comfortable SUV to drive day to day, yet it also delights when the road gets twisty. Should I buy the Audi Q8? The 2022 Audi Q8 is definitely worth a look. It has a posh cabin, rewarding driving dynamics, and plenty of cutting-edge technology. The Audi Q8's dashboard is dominated by screens. There's a 10.1-inch touchscreen in the center, an 8.6-inch touchscreen below, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel. This setup looks sleek, and it works well for the most part. The main 10.1-inch screen manages multimedia functions like the radio and Apple CarPlay, as well as the core vehicle settings. It responds quickly to inputs and has a simple menu structure. The digital gauge cluster, Audi's virtual cockpit, is highly configurable, and it can display the navigation route and map in striking detail. The lower 8.6-inch screen isn't as intuitive. It manages the climate controls, but it demands more attention to operate than conventional buttons or knobs would. On the plus side, the Q8's voice recognition system works well. You can say, "I'm hot" or "it's too cold," and the system will adjust the air conditioning to suit your command.